Hello guys, welcome back to the Ads Manager tutorial. So today I would like to teach you all how to post your ads into your Facebook page. Cause all of the ads you create, it won't automatically post on your Facebook. So you need to manually post yourself. So firstly, go to you just go into your Ads Manager account first. Afterwards, you go to the business tools, and in this drop down list you just scroll down until you saw a page post. Okay, afterward you will saw three options here, which are publish post, schedule post, and add post. So now you need to choose the page you want to post. Let's say JCI here. Okay, afterward, this publish post is all the posts that you already publish or post to your Facebook page. It means it is viewable in your Facebook page. And the schedule post is you need to schedule a time to launch your post. The last one is the ad post. The ad post is the ad you submit, but the post haven't posted on your Facebook page. So what you want to do is to post the ads into your Facebook page. So just click it. Afterward, you will saw a action button here. Then just click the action button and click. Okay, you may decide you want to publish now or you want to schedule a date. Maybe you want to schedule next Friday, you want to post this post, so you just schedule it. If not, you just publish. After you click publish, it will ask you about, are you sure you want to publish the selected schedule post? You just click publish. So afterward, this post will be automatically published in your Facebook page, as you can see here. Yeah, as you can see here. So let me refresh. Yeah, as you can see here. So that's all for today. I would like to see you all in the next lesson. Bye bye.